Hey, welcome back to this video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to shake that thing like a popsicle. No, I'm just kidding. In this video, I'm going to show you how to edit videos from Insta360. Whatever device you have, whether it's the X3, whether it's the Go 3, whether it's the Insta1RS, whether it is the InstaFlow, whatever it is, all right? All you got to do on your desktop, you can do this in mobile or desktop, but I'm going to show you in desktop. In desktop, you want to go to the link that I have below here. And then what you're going to do is when you get here, you're going to go over here to the right and look where it says Insta360 Studio 2023. If you have a Mac, click here. If you have a Windows, click here. Download it. Once you do that, open up the software. It's literally as simple as that. Just open it up once it's done downloading. By clicking on the file, it's going to open up and it's going to take you through a couple of prompts. Once you accept all of the prompts, you open the Joker up. When you open that Joker up, it's going to ask you if you want to import all the footage. You say yes. I already have mine up here. And what I'm going to do is select the video that I have that I recorded on the way to the office. And the cool part about what I love about Insta360 and all their products is that, again, I don't have to worry about where I'm shooting. As you see here, this is an image. This image right here is not what I took with the 1RS. This is what I took with the X3. So the image quality is not as good as it is in the 1RX. And I'm gonna go down here and I'm gonna show you what a 1RX video image looks like. Let's see here. You should see the difference. Look at the difference. Here's the difference. Look at the difference. Ooh, that looks so good. Ooh, that looks so good. And I can reframe it. I can reframe this Joker. And what we were looking at in this video, if you notice down here, there's crabs in the fresh water. Look at that. There's a crab right there. And then there's a crab right there. Thought that was pretty cool. Thought it was a crawfish, but it doesn't appear to be a crawfish. But look at how beautiful these images are. Just look at how beautiful these images are. But anyway, we're not doing an image right now. We're going to do a video. So I'm going to go down and find my file where I was recording, which is right here. And ironically, you'll see this video. My pants are tight right there. Tight pants. So ironically, you'll see this actual video go up later. Okay, because I'm going to post this video that I did later. I don't think you'll be able to hear the audio right now, and that's okay. I just want to show you why this is important. Again, I can just focus on what I'm doing, and the camera is recording everything from the top to the bottom, from the left to the right. It's recording everything. And all I got to do is focus, okay? All I have to do is focus. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go down here and I want to crop it because there's a part in here where I started talking and I want to make sure the video starts there. So I'm going to hit play and wait for I start talking. Okay, right there is where I start talking. So I'm going to go back and look at this little cursor right here. I'm going to select it and hold it, and then I'm going to drag it to where my marker is. That marker is going to let me know where the video is going to start. So now I'm going to hit play. Okay, perfect. And this video is pretty much straightforward. But what you want to do is, again, with Insta360, you can actually, I got another idea for this. Hold on. I have another idea. I want to move this marker back a little bit. I want to start right here. So I'm going to start here. I want to position the camera up like this. And then I want to drop a mark right there. All right. So I drop my marker there. And then I want to hit play. All right. And then here is where I'm going to start talking. So when I start talking, I want the camera to be in a different position. So I'm just going to frame the camera just like that. And I'm going to put another marker there. So now it has a crystal clear position on where I start talking and where the video starts and where I start talking. So what I'm gonna do is hit play and you'll see how the camera automatically adjusts. Boom. Boom. Flapjack. You like that? You like that? And this is low light, by the way, because I'm in the car, you know. So now I'm going to zoom in just a little bit, and we're going to do another marker. So what I'm doing is I'm making the video engaging. Instead of just having it in one position the whole time, I'm going to try to make the video zoom in, zoom out while I'm talking to make the video more engaging. So hit play again, and let's just see how the transition is. Boom, look at that. So boom, right here, where I say straight up answer, I'm gonna zoom out. I wanna zoom out to about right here. So zoom out to about right there. Boom. So now, ooh. So then I'm gonna turn the camera just a little bit, put another marker there. So while I'm talking, I go back. Okay. And that's it. All you got to do is, you know, zoom in to where you want the camera to focus and hit the little plus marker. And I'm just going to do this periodically as I focus here, as I talk, as my subject talks. I'm just going to keep selecting different spots. And you don't have to move it all the time, but just for me, I'm going to select different spots. You know what I'm saying? Because that's what I want. I'm going to select there. And boom. And zoom in just a little bit. Boom. And I'm going to make this real easy. This is what I love about Insta360 videos. Like, the editing doesn't have to be super complex. I mean, you just drag it where you want. And then what I want to do is look for where I stop talking. So then I'll say, all right, so I'm going to just stop it right there where I said some of you guys need to grow a pair, because you do need to grow a pair. I'm going to just make this last image look a little wonky. So we start off. Boom. There we go. That's it. That's the video. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go up here where it says media processing. And then I want to see how it looks if I turn on color plus. Boom. Okay, you see how that color popped? What do you think? Color plus on, color plus off. Color plus on, color plus off. I'm going to make it pop just a little bit more. Let's go back and see what the image looks. Ooh, that looks good. Color plus off, color plus on. Color plus off, color plus on. Off, on. Off, on. Okay, I'm gonna just, that's where I'm good right there. What I'm doing is I'm good. We're good. Another thing I want to do is, okay, so now it's all about how you save it. So I'm going to go right here where it says start export. And then what I already have settings that I want to export it in. So if you don't have these settings already, what you want to do is you want to go down here to where it says resolution, and then change the resolution to 3840 by 2160. And then the coding, you want to go with ProRes. Okay, encoding Pro Resolution. Boom. All right, encoding Pro Resolution. And then you give it a name, you save it. So I'm going to say best set 2. All right. And then once you do that, you're just going to hit, you're going to name the file. Go up here at the top and name the file. What we just did is name the actual setting so that you won't have to keep doing this over and over again. And now we're going to name the file. So I'm going to name the file the name of the actual YouTube video. And I'm going to say the name of the video is My Partner Doesn't Want Me to Start a Business. And then I'm going to copy and then hit Start Export. And then over here to the bottom left, it's a pretty big file, so it could take a little bit of time. Although it's only 3 minutes and 52 seconds, it's a large file because it's saving as a 4K video. So I'd rather it take a while to, download and all of that than to be fast and the image look like crap. So anyway, I just wanted to share that with you. And if you like this video, you know what time it is. Like, comment, and subscribe. Talk to you soon.